In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export and download your entire Weebly site or pages successfully in just a few simple steps. Whether you're looking to back up your site or move it to a different platform, the process is straightforward. Let's dive in and start with the first step. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to the Weebly website. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to do so. This step gets us ready to access the tools we need for the export process. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard where all your sites are listed. Next, locate the site you want to export and click on the Edit Site button. This will take you to the main editing interface of your Weebly site, where you have access to all the customization options and settings. From the editing interface, direct your attention to the navigation menu on the top or side, depending on the theme you're using. Look for the Settings option and give it a click. The settings area is where you can control various functionalities of your site, and in our case, it's where you initiate the export. Within the settings page, scroll down until you find an option labeled something along the lines of Archive or Export Site. Here, you will be prompted to enter your email address. This is important because Weebly will send the archive of your site to the email you specify. After entering your email, click on the Email Archive button. This will begin the process of compiling your site into a downloadable zip file. Don't worry if it takes a little moment. The site is just being packaged with all the necessary files. While your site is being archived, head over to your email inbox and keep an eye out for a message from Weebly. This email will contain a download link for your site's zip file. Once you see it, open the email and click on the download link to save the file to your computer. And here's a tip in case you encounter any issues with the email download link. You can return to your Weebly account and go back to the settings page where you requested the archive. There you'll see a blue link has appeared, allowing you to download the zip file directly. And that's it! You've successfully exported and downloaded your entire Weebly site or pages. Now you have a handy backup or a file ready to be migrated to a new platform. Feel free to keep it safe or use it as needed. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll be happy to assist. Until next time, happy building!